There's something amazing about days like this. The air is crisp, the light is perfect, and you've got your drone in the air capturing every single moment. But it doesn't always work out like this. Being unprepared can turn an adventure like this into a complete disaster. G'day friends, if you're new here, my name is Brett and I'm a photographer who helps people just starting out in photography and video with tips, tricks and gear reviews with weekly videos. Now that we're friends, I have a story for you. Late last year I went on a trip to Port Campbell, which is on the Victorian coastline in Australia. I packed up my DJI Air 3S drone and my DJI Neo and everything else I needed. Well, at least I thought I had everything. Oh, by the way, if you're curious about the DJI Neo, you can click on a video right here to get more info on that. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, my bag was a complete mess. There was stuff packed everywhere and I couldn't find the gear I needed. My batteries ran out and my back was killing me from lugging around a lumpy and bulky pack. Now I had been using the drone that day for work before we left, and the spare batteries and the charger were left on charge on my desk. And it wasn't until we got to our campsite that I realised I'd left all of it at home. I only had the one battery for the whole 4-day weekend, and because of that I missed some shots I'd been dreaming of capturing for ages. And that's when I knew I needed to level up what I was doing. And because my pack was so full and overflowing with stuff, I never realised that I didn't have my charger and batteries. I just assumed it was all going to be in there. So this is what I leveled up with. This is the Bluetti Bluepack2pro. This thing has completely changed the way that I shoot, and this is why. The Bluepack2pro opens up like a clamshell, so everything is right where I need it. No more digging around looking for stuff while the perfect shot slips away. All these compartments are fully adjustable, so I can just set it up for my drones, cameras, or even a mix of both. But here's the reason why I got this backpack and why it outshines the others. This is the Handsfree 2 powerbank, and it fits right inside the bag with these handy side flaps for plugging in all your devices. It's a 700 watt beast with 512 watt hours of power. That means I can charge my drone batteries, my camera, even my phone all at the same time. And what I like about it is that the pack and the power bank aren't a package deal. You can buy one or the other or both. And as usual, I'll leave links in the description to all this stuff if you want to check it out for yourself. But this thing is just so versatile. When I'm at a location like this, I just slide the power bank out and I'm off to explore with the rest of my camera gear. You can even buy a solar panel to charge the power station while you're out shooting. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button so YouTube can push it out to more people just like you. This pack isn't just about power, it's got room for everything. It's got up to 60 litres of storage, so you can put tripods, your clothes, even your sleeping gear if you want, and it's even got a key code lock on top for extra security when I'm travelling. And of course, when it comes to camera bags, the important part is that it's lightweight and super comfortable even when you're on long hikes. But keep in mind that if you do want to do long hikes with a power bank in the back of the pack as well as all your gear, it weighs around 6.5 kilos. Although on this day I did walk about 3 kilometers with it, with all my gear and the battery pack in the back, and it didn't bother me too much. I definitely had the wrong shoes on for the beach though. So how I use this is I drive or hike to my campsite, take out the battery pack and leave it to charge stuff while I'm shooting footage. And of course, if you're out in weather that's not the best, it is splash resistant and it also comes with a rain cover as well, which is hooked into the bottom of the strap. For me, drone photography is all about being ready for whatever the day brings, whether it's chasing the light, hiking to a perfect spot, or just staying powered up to keep creating. The Bluetti Bluepack2pro isn't just a backpack, it's all my gear in one place. And if you're just starting out, trust me, having the right gear makes all the difference. And if you're wondering what drone I was using in this video, it's the DJI Air 3S. I did a review on it right here, so you can check that out if you like. And on your next adventure, whatever it is, make sure you're ready to capture it all. See you later.